Good morning. Welcome to AM Woodturning. My name is Alan Mills, and this is my shop. I have a confession to make. I have never turned a platter. And this piece of pear, it's got a lot of worm trails in it. And if it ends up just being practice, that's okay. If it turns out nice, well, that's okay too. It's real out of balance. I can still able to start out about 550 RPM, so not horribly bad, but not the best situation either. But it is what it is. When you don't have a bandsaw to cut perfect blanks, all you got is a chainsaw. I do as well as I can. Anyway, let us get geared up and get started. I've got it mounted with a faceplate. We'll get the tailstock out of the way. I don't believe we'll need it for a little bit. Alright, here we go. These little gauges are handy. They give you the depth and the profile angle for your chuck jaws. I've got the standard 50 millimeter jaws, 2-inch jaws on Nova G3. Alright, I've turned it around and start facing it off. You want to keep your sandpaper moving at all times. You stay in one place too long and you end up with a lot of scratches. Well, alright, we finished our little platter. It's only my second platter. I dyed the rim with Kita wood dye. It comes as a powder. You get it in a kit. I bought it off Amazon. You get 5 packs of different colors. Keda, K-E-D-A. You can mix it in water, you can mix it in alcohol. I put it in alcohol. And these little packets of powder, it doesn't take very much at all. I think I used a quarter of a gram of the powder to 4 ounces of alcohol. And that's significant compared to what you get. So it'll make, altogether, the 5 packets probably make a couple gallons of dye. Now you can mix them and match them to get different colors. You can either wait until after you've mixed them up and mix them individually using your color scale. 2 drops of red, 2 parts red, 1 part black, whatever, give you a crimson red. Blue and yellow give you green. You get the idea. You can mix them up while you're mixing it. You can also, believe it or not, if I were to go back and put some yellow over this top of this right now, it would turn green. It's crazy. What happens is, well, dye, it soaks into the wood, and it's not like a stain or a paint that lays on top of the wood. It's actually drawn down into the capillaries of the wood. And when you put fresh alcohol on it, or a fresh dye, it reactivates it again. So that's why you can mix it right onto your surface. Now this is only my second platter, as I said, and it's full of wormholes, and it's more of a practice project than will be a great finished project. I'll probably end up putting some wipe on poly on it for a final finish. It's a little thicker than what I had intended. It's still alright though. It would be nice to put some keys or change in or something, or maybe display some fruit on. It's still a nice little platter. And thank y'all for coming to watch, and thank y'all for my subscribers. I appreciate y'all more than you know. And I'm going to try to get some new videos out real soon. Thank you.